Pre-market high. They're above the pre-market high, guys. New intraday high. This high came in, pre-market high is at 393. It's starting to go. I said potential moves early. We'll have to wait and see. If you're very aggressive, you bought at the open, caught a little bit of move. Be careful the downside. Now, HJLI, Hotel Juliet, Lima, India, is also a lower flow name, but their flow is going to increase, of course, with the share offering. That being said, really high level of activity in both of these names so far in terms of volume. We want to keep a close eye on it. India, November, Sierra, Yankee, INSY. Wow, what the heck? Keep a close eye on it, guys and gals. Remember, INSY dropped like a rock because of the bankruptcy news, and now they're starting to rally.